guys, today at AFS we're looking at Riverside House in Salford. With 235 ensuite rooms and secure access via a keycard, let's take a look at what Riverside has to offer you.
Good afternoon, Riverside House, Stacey speaking.
All accommodation comes with a TV licence, Wi-Fi. Contents insurance is available at an additional cost. Kitchens come with state-of-the-art integrated appliances, such as fridge freezers, oven and a dishwasher. On-site staff will empty your bin regularly and even clean your living space at an extra cost. All bedrooms have ample study space and storage. Kitchen and bedding packs are provided for both short and long-term contracts. All you need to move in is your clothes. Riverside caters to all domestic and international students. They have on-site laundry facilities and parking. A short walk from the University of Salford and Manchester city centre, Riverside has excellent transport links to get you where you need to go. Riverside Salford. Book your luxury accommodation today.